Hello everyone, the Google Pixel 8a box now leaked, but few months ago the Google Pixel 8a hands-on image are leaked before Google Pixel 8 launch. So all the upcoming feature now leaked, and this is the demo unit Google Pixel 8a. The Pixel 8a featuring a 6.1-inch 90Hz AMOLED screen, and Pixel 8a also come with Tensor G3 SoC with 8GB of RAM and 256GB storage up to with Mali G715 GPU. The smartphone scored 1218 points in a single core and 3175 points in a multi-core. Google will debut the smartphone with Android 14 out of the box, and the smartphone also comes with a dual camera setup in the back. 12.2 megapixel has a main camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide, and the front is come with a 10.5 megapixel has a selfie shooter. The smartphone powered by 4700 mAh battery, and the phone supported 27-watt fast charger. And Google Pixel 9 and 9 Pro 3D cat look are also revealed with the 360 video. Check this video to learn more about Google Pixel 9 and 9 Pro. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not already, and I will catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.